Good morning, guys. So it is super early in the morning. Well, early for me. Atlee's still sleeping. My father-in-law is cooking breakfast for us, for the family, and the kiddos and I are heading to the airport. Me and the 3 kids are heading to the airport to fly out to visit my family in Texas, in San Antonio, for a whole month. So JT's gonna stay here by himself. And before I went, I wanted to show you quickly what was in my travel bag. Yeah, so this is the Fendi extra large Fendi Baguette XXL, and it currently still has the little tag on it by the purse ladies, because I want to show you guys, and it says not returnable if tag is removed. Sorry, it's early. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly remove it because I'm definitely gonna keep it. Yeah, so they are an eBay seller that I really like. They have very good ratings. They kind of remind me of like a, sorry, you guys are crooked, you're on like my luggage. So it reminds, this company reminds me of kind of like a fashion file, but on eBay. And yeah, they have like thousands and thousands of reviews and sell handbags, and yeah, I'll link them down below. I really like these girls, and they authenticate in-house. Anyways, I am also bringing my LV Montsuri backpack. This backpack is fully stuffed. I am not gonna unpack this and show you what it is, what's inside. But if you guys want to see what's can fit in this bag, let me know down below. All of this is literally Atlee stuff. It has baby wipes, hand wipes, her entertainment, her iPad, her snacks, pretty much everything. So I'm gonna have that over here. But this is mommy's backpack. So mommy's travel bag. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is all patent leather. It comes with a short strap like this, and then it also comes with a long strap. I wanted to order the HRH black acrylic chain to make it go on connected to the sides, but she never got back to me, and also it wouldn't come back in time before I left for vacation. So anyways, gold hardware, magnetic clasp, and you can also push it in. Inside it is fully jammed, fully stuffed. It fits a lot, guys, a lot. So in the front, I'm going to take this out. This is my Chanel walk wrapped in my Christian Dior silk handkerchief. And you know, I can use this if I'm, well, kind of cold, not really, but I actually just, and then I wear it as a headband, you know, cute. But I am currently using it to make sure that this, I can't find my dust bag for this, so make sure it's not getting scratched. So this is my Chanel walk in gold hardware. I'm bringing this with me so I have an extra bag to carry, and I also have my Fendi like Zuka vintage bag in my luggage. And then behind that, I have a full-size book that is really thick. This is the book I'm currently reading, Forest Bathing, the Japanese Art and Science of Forest Bathing. Oh my gosh, so good. It's about how people should go back to nature and where they're from and get rejuvenated, and it increases endorphins, decreases stress levels, and increases your immunity. Just so many benefits. Amazing pictures too in there. Wait. Just like some really good pictures of like earth, of forests, and how it's so good for you, how it increases your, oh, just a really good read. I haven't finished it yet, but I like it. Then I have my phone, iPhone 8 Plus. Then I also have this in the back. This is pretty much my catch-all. It has my lipstick, Tide pens, SPF powders, hydration spray, lipstick, snacks, cooling eye pens, extra like portable charger, lotion, candy, and hand sanitizer. I got this from Target. And then I also have my Warby Parker glasses. The case is so dirty. This is like their older case. And I have my glasses. Sorry about the shine from the light. And then that is pretty much everything that's inside this bag. Oh my gosh, everyone's so loud running in the house. And then inside it has like this suede lining. And then this is all like regular cotton. Outside's patent leather. And then in the back, zipper, I have my Chanel card holder with all my keys, with all my cards, some peanuts, chapstick. This is my Altoids, it's my dream box. I have some crystals, some goals in here, and some pictures and inspiring stuff. And then I have my Dior lip maximizer. I also have my LV key holder. And then I have the authentication cards that comes with this Fendi bag. They're also the original receipt from Bloomingdale's. So yeah, I'm gonna take these out. But that is it, guys. This bag is massive, massive. Oh, and I also have my LV pochette, which holds you guys, my camera. So yeah, it fits a lot. This guy is so massive. You guys know how much I want the Fendi Baguette in large or medium. And this guy is kind of maybe possibly doing the job. This is long. This is 14 inches. I would get my Chanel jumbo, but it's downstairs. Anyways, this is massive. Later on I'll show you mod shots when I'm at the airport, but I have to go and wake up Atlee and finish up, so I will talk to you guys later. Yeah, I will talk more on like traveling with kids alone, but this is just pretty much what I travel with. Also earplugs, which I need to get and put in here as well, and cash in my card holder. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will check in at the airport. Hi. We're currently at the airport. A little bit stressful, huh? Because mommy lost her credit card and debit card. Atlee.
Hi.
Where are you going?
We're going to the airplane.
Yay! Oh, just to show your cute bag. I'm gonna borrow it.
Huh?
Shut it. It's so cute. It's like a Palm Springs mini. You can't shut it? It's okay. So, yeah, just finished taking pictures. We're about to board soon. And
at this time, on top of your 4 through the green.
We just landed. That was a great flight, huh?
I like that flight. That's
Excited. How long was the flight, Justice? Hour and a half? No, it was more like 2 hours.
No.
It was like an hour and 40 minutes, right? Yeah. But now my parents are downstairs waiting for us, and we're gonna go pick up our baggage. We actually flew into Austin because it was actually $500 cheaper than flying into San Antonio. San Antonio would have been like $1,200, and we got it for like, I think, $500. So it's about an hour drive back home, but that's not bad, huh? Huh, Miss Atlee?
Yeah.
This guy came in really handy, for sure. Alright guys, so every time I come to Texas, San Antonio, Texas, I always have to go to my favorite coffee shop, which is Local Coffee. And I always get the caramel latte ice. No, excuse me, I get the caramel cappuccino ice. But yeah, we spent time with my family yesterday, and guys, I am loving this Fendi Baguette. I posted a picture on Instagram, and people are going nuts. They like really love it. So like I said, I don't know if I told you guys, but it's from 2009, but let me get some coffee. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I don't want it to be too long. Yeah, so yeah, it was such a good flight flying Denver to Austin. It's like a 2-hour, actually it's an hour and 40-minute flight. It was amazing. And for you mommies out there, I wouldn't stress about flying by yourself. Last year around this time, I flew with 3 kids by myself. It was my first time. I was so nervous, and now I'm like a pro. I would just say you could bring tons of toys, activities, bring you can download videos onto your iPads now without any internet. Bring like Play-Doh, like hands-on activities, and tons of snacks, and you'll be fine. And yeah, if you guys have any specific details on flying with kids, then let me know. But yeah, the flight was so smooth. We got home, my mom made her amazing Chinese food. I will be vlogging more, but your girl had to get her local coffee for sure. And if you're in San Antonio, local coffee, get the caramel cappuccino, so good. Alright guys, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I love you so much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Or my next video, actually. Bye!